Hey there, welcome to the channel. This is Ravi. Today is the day 1 of Databricks 14 days AI challenge. This is all about getting started. If you're completely new to the Databricks, then don't worry. We will make it simple and practical. So the first question is, why Databricks? We have already Pandas, we have already Hadoops. Then why we need Databricks? The answer is scalability plus simplicity. Databricks combines big data processing, data analytics, and machine learning all in one place called as Lakehouse. That's why companies like Netflix, Shell, Comcast use Databricks to handle large volume of data. This is production level data, not Excel sized data. Now let's just do the first data task. First, we will go to the Chrome. Then there we can write databricks.com, click enter. This is the interface you will get. Then first you need to easily able to register of Databricks Community Edition, which is you will get free for learning. You can just click on here login. It will ask you to continue with Google or continue with Microsoft. Then you can just click on continue with Google. Then it will ask the which email ID that you want to. Just click on short what the email ID that you want to select. Then once you click on that, so it will take a little bit time. So as you can see here, this is the Databricks user interface. As you can see here, you will see here workplace, catalogs, pipelines, compute, and explorer. This is the user interface, and we are not going to learn everything in one day. We will go day by day, step by step. And today we are just going to create a new notebook. How we can create a new notebook? Let's just click here. As you can see here, there is a new option. Just click on it, and here you can see create a notebook or query or dashboard or any job pipeline or any model or everything. First, today that we are going to start, click on this create a new notebook, and it will automatically created the new notebook. So as you can see here, and just here you need to change the name of the your notebook. And as you can see here, so this is the notebook that that we have created. And let's just create a data frame, and we can attach it to the cluster. As we have write the code for creating a data frame, and just click on run. So as you can see here, we have successfully created a table with a product name and the price. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video, which is day 2. Keep learning, keep exploring.